sound stuff better. Right there, it looks good. Now just keep in mind, people, I am going to be in comfort mode. If you want to see another video in sport mode with some more spirited driving, you know, I will be making that video right after this video, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going to include it in this video. It's going to be a totally separate video of only sport mode and, you know, pretty much mainly spirited driving. This one I'm just trying to show you what the daily drivability is like. This is my daily driver, so, and I know a lot of other people, this is their daily driver. So you know, if you hear any clunks, it's probably when I hit bumps, my wheelchair wheels or wheelchair moving around or something. The car doesn't make any noise, it's pretty quiet, other than my, you know, modified exhaust. And if you guys are wondering why it's so loud, of course I should include what's done to the car. I do have a full exhaust, so I have downpipes and a full exhaust, so from the engine right off the turbos all the way back. I have atmospheric dump blow-off valves, so that, you know, those vent to atmosphere and you can hear them louder. I have an APR carbon fiber intake. I have a Wagner full intercooler kit, so it upgrades the side mount water to air intercooler, and I have a upgraded radiator with that system. And of course it is stage 1 plus 034 Motorsport tune or IE tune. I have both of those you can tune from your phone, and right now it is on the E85 tune, which isn't going to matter much because it only matters really when you're in sport mode and you get the, you know, snap crackle pops in the exhaust. I think that the pops are more volatile when you're on gasoline versus E85. Like, they're more poppy and more loud. But I'm gonna start driving in manual mode so I can keep it in gears to let you guys hear some of the, you know, maybe the turbo noises and the blow-off valves, and it won't, you know, unexpectedly downshift on me or anything. Except for when I pull out here, I'm just going to keep it in drive so you can see how it shifts itself. Just as a time and temperature check, it is around 80 degrees out right now, and it is 5:30 p.m. Yeah, it's 77 degrees right now. Yeah, and of course it got really loud when I installed the downpipes. When I installed the downpipes, it got raspy, kind of near 2, like right above 2, but then it quiets down at around 2200, and then there's another raspiness right before 3. Other than that, it's not terribly annoying, but in those two areas it is relatively annoying. But you know, if you're like me and you like sporty cars with a loud exhaust, it doesn't bother me one bit. Kind of reminds me of when I talked to a Harley Davidson rider one time on, you know, why those things are so loud, and they're, you know, not even really that fast for all the noise they make. He's like, I like that they hear me before they see me. And I really resonated to that comment, because I love when they hear me before they see me, to be honest. My friends always tell me, like, I hear you when you're down the street, bro, I know you're coming. And guess what? People walk out the door before I even have to call them and say I'm here, because they heard me pull up. So I love that. I'm not gonna make this video too long, just so you guys know. I will be, you know, if I'm not doing anything spectacular, if I'm just cruising, not accelerating or decelerating and not talking, I am going to cut those out of the video and not waste your time. But when I'm accelerating, or when I'm trying to let you hear something like the blow-off valve, or maybe a shift, because when you get over 3 grand, maybe 3100, 3150, 3200, somewhere around there, somewhere between 3000 and 3200 is when, no matter what mode you're in, the car just shifts much more quickly. This is an 8-speed torque converter transmission, but it shifts so fast, you know, anything over 3200. And in sport mode it's even faster, so stay tuned for the sport mode video. So that's regular acceleration under 3200. As you can see, it shifts, you know, not too quick, definitely not too slow. And for those of you that are curious, I am, you know, or that are new to the channel or not subscribed or anything like that, I am paralyzed, so I drive with my hands. These are hand controls that I drive with. Let's see if we can get a nice little blow-off valve noise. It's tough at this RPM in this gear. We'll try to do maybe second or third gear when we do that. Here, let's downshift a little bit, see if maybe get one here in 5th. There we go, that's a good one. Gonna make you guys wait for Taco Bell. I'm just gonna shut this off real quick, and then when we get on our way home, I will make a little bit more of a spirited driving. I'll get you those shifts over 3000 RPM so you can see how fast it shifts even while in comfort mode. Alright guys, I figured I'd shut it off and just start it up for you while it's at operating temperature so you can see how loud it is when it's already warmed up. Who knows, maybe we'll get some funny interaction in Taco Bell.
Hi, thanks for choosing Taco Bell. Will you be checking in with your mobile app today? Or do we order?
Yeah, I use the mobile app.
Go for it.
Thank you. Thank you. See when you pull up closer you get, it shows you how close you get to the curb. All right, let's head back home. I'm gonna make it a little bit more spirited driving for you guys. By the way, if you guys haven't checked out my new song, it's lightweight blowing up right now. My Addiction by Wheelz AC. Go check it out or not, no big deal. There's the sheriff. No fun now. Well, at least he's not behind me. That's always a plus. Let's go high RPM here. Get some more downshifts here, so very smooth. That was a little high. I really don't like abusing my car, so if you guys like the video, put a like on the video. I'd appreciate it. That's enough for the downshifting. Just put it in drive. One last thing, let's see if we can get a better sound slower here in maybe second or third. Maybe third, here we go. That wasn't full. You know, when you see the torque get all the way to 100%, that's when it's pretty much built full boost. Nope. Alright guys, you pretty much get the point. If there's any, you know, scenarios that you want me to replicate, so, you know, just describe them, talk to me in the comments, let me know what you think. If you want, like I said, if you want me to do a certain scenario, like maybe a certain RPM, certain throttle in a certain mode, just, you know, ask me in the comments. I'd be happy to make the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next video, guys.